Happy Thanksgiving, Stanton families. I hope that you have a lovely holiday today with family and friends. I just know that some of your students may want to do a little extra reading practice at home, and if you're finding that there's some time in this 4-day weekend, 5-day weekend, that maybe you'll be able to try out one of these apps at home. So I love Lexia, which is a reading program that we use at school every day, but it only works on the computer and I think some tablets. So I found a new app that works on any phone called Khan Academy Kids that I'm really hoping students can start to use, whenever there's some free time, they can pop on a phone. So here is what it looks like. The app is called Khan Kids or Khan Academy Kids, and it should work on any cell phone. And what I like about it is I can assign individual lessons to students and really target the reading practice that will be just right for them at their level. When you download the app, you should see this welcome screen. You don't need to do any sign up on your own or anything. You can just click up here with sign in with the class code. If you do the sign in with Clever, it's a little more complicated, so I suggest just using the code. And you can type it in or scan it. Here's the QR code, and the code is 93JW7H. Then you should see a list with all of their names, and they just pick their names and they can get started. If the work feels too easy or too hard, just let me know and I can change it. But once I see they start working, I can also give them really targeted lessons for exactly what I know they need right now. If you do have a computer or a tablet at home that you could use, Lexia is also really great. And just so you know, they should be on level 10 by second grade, finishing the year around level 12. So many students are definitely not at those levels yet, so it's really great for them to get extra practice at home. Everybody's goal is to get an hour each week, and you can tell when they first log in, you can see what level they're at, and you can also see how many minutes they do each week if you ever want to check up on that at home. We want everyone to get an hour throughout the week. They get a lot of time at school to do it, but really great if they could do more at home. And then finally, if you do want to do some extra math practice, you can also check out iReady Math through Clever. Just click on the math icon when they first get in. They use it all the time with Miss Hose. But you can check their progress by clicking My Progress with the little arrow at the bottom, and then click on Completed Work, and you can see the lessons they've passed, if they haven't passed any lessons, and maybe you can help them through doing that lesson again and try to pass it. So that's it. I really hope that over the holiday break that someone might try Khan Academy Kids so we can see how it goes and see if your students like it. Again, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have a really wonderful holiday. Bye.